So I'm going to create a VPC in here. So I'm going to give like mm, entire app VPC, then give the CIDR block 192.168.0.0. Okay, 192.168. Okay, the thing looks good. Then IPv4, I don't need any IPv6. Then number of availability zones 3, public segments 3. The net gateway I want in every availability zone. I don't need any VPC endpoints. Okay, after that just create the VPC. Taking a bit of time to activate it. So let's just wait for this net gateway to activate. Okay, so it created. Okay, so let's just create. Okay, it's available. VPC is now available. So let's just go in here and create the database.